Hey, if you want to turn on or off the instant replay feature on the NVIDIA GeForce Experience, all you have to do is just to click on this icon between the notifications and the settings icon. And now from here, we've got the GeForce Experience. And here we can turn on and off the instant replay by clicking on it with the left mouse button. But before you turn it on, I can recommend you to go to the settings and customize some options. So here we can change the instant replay length by moving this icon to the left or to the right side. So we can even capture back to like 20 minutes of your gameplay. In my case, I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. And from here, we can also change the quality from the low, medium, high. We can also get our custom settings. We can pick the frame rate, the game resolution. So that's actually from the game, or we can manually set, for example, the 4K, full HD, and also we can set the bitrate. So now if you want to save it, just click here to turn it on, tap here, and then click to turn on. And now it is actually activated and it just keep recording everything from our gameplay. To turn it off or just to save something, you'll have to click Alt plus F10 or manually click on the save. So as you can see, we just capture last 16 seconds. Now when you open the gallery, you will be able to actually find it just right here. You can open the file location, share it, or remove. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.